Welcome to GN Virtual Classes. Today you are going to understand what is indifference curve analysis. Indifference curve analysis is a fundamental concept in microeconomics used to understand consumer preferences and the choices they make. It represents the different combinations of two goods that give a consumer the same level of satisfaction or utility. Here's a simplified explanation suitable for undergraduate classes. 1. Basic concepts. Utility. This is a measure of the satisfaction or pleasure that a consumer derives from consuming goods and services. Indifference curve. An indifference curve represents all combinations of two goods that provide the consumer with the same level of utility. The consumer is indifferent between these combinations, meaning they have no preference for one combination over another. 2. Characteristics of indifference curves. Downward sloping, indifference curves slope downwards from left to right. This slope indicates that if the quantity of one good decreases, the quantity of the other good must increase for the consumer to maintain the same level of utility. Convex to the origin, indifference curves are typically convex to the origin, reflecting the principle of diminishing marginal rate of substitution, MISS. As a consumer substitutes one good for another, the amount of the good they are willing to give up decreases. Cannot cross each other. Indifference curves cannot intersect. If they did, it would imply inconsistent preferences, which is not possible under the assumption that consumers have rational preferences. 3. Marginal rate of substitution, MISS. The MISS is the rate at which a consumer is willing to substitute one good for another while maintaining the same level of utility. It is represented by the slope of the indifference curve. 4. Budget constraint. The budget constraint represents all the combinations of goods that a consumer can afford, given their income and the prices of the goods. The consumer's equilibrium, or optimal choice, occurs where the budget line is tangent to an indifference curve. At this point, the MISS between the two goods equals the ratio of their prices. 5. Shifts in indifference curves. An increase in a consumer's income shifts the budget line outward, allowing the consumer to reach higher indifference curves, indicating higher utility. Changes in the prices of goods can also alter the slope of the budget line, affecting the consumer's optimal choice. 6. Practical application. Indifference curve analysis helps in understanding consumer behavior, demand theory, and the impact of price changes on consumer choices. It can also be used to analyze various economic policies, such as taxation and subsidies, by examining how these affect consumer welfare. In summary, indifference curve analysis provides a visual and conceptual framework for understanding how consumers make choices between different goods and how these choices are influenced by changes in income and prices. Dear students, please subscribe to our channel for more lessons on this subject.